So tonight we are going to try to make a coffee from this machine, the Nescafe Dolce Gusto. So we are in Swissotel Pantai Indah Kapuk, and they provide us this. Now Charlotte,
Take it, honey.
take it. All right, and then what? Show me this one first. What kind of coffee is this? I want to see. Show me. Wait. Okay, and then
Put
you
here.
open, and then put inside.
Okay.
Don't open this, okay? Don't open the seal. Just put inside.
And then the indicator.
See, there's indicator here on the left side. See, it's 2 bar. Wait, see, 2 bars. Okay, so you have to adjust the level into 2 bars. So don't, but before that, no, don't forget to fill the water at the back side.
1, 2.
See, there's a water tank at the back side.
Look at the mirror, see?
Yeah, see the mirror. You're so smart. See, you're so smart. The water tank. So just fill the water inside, and then
What's that?
on it first. On it, there's a button on button.
No, this one.
Until the light on, and then if you want to hot, you move to the right.
This one first.
Yes, adjust the level. So according to the okay, 2 bars, and then cause I want to have hot coffee. Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
We forgot to put this, and then
Put like this.
whoa, the coffee is coming out. Look. Whoa.
The smoke is coming out.
The smoke also is coming out. So this is kind of espresso, like, right? Look. I can smell the coffee now. Look.
Me too.
You did, sir. At all. You can see. Look, the crema is there. All right. So this is the tutorial how to use this machine, the coffee machine, Nescafe Dolce Gusto. So it is a good option also to have this kind of machine at home. Okay, that's the tutorial. Bye.
Bye.